Hello, you guys. For lunch, I made me jalapeno White Castle cheeseburgers and regular White Castle cheeseburgers, and also microwavable French fries. This here, this is the jalapeno cheeseburger. It is spicy, but it's not too spicy. I put some Big Mac sauce that did dipping on it. Let's try it. Good. The microwavable French fry. Mm. One thing about the White Castle cheese, folks, they all are good. And this is a jalapeno one. And I'm gonna do this. See, French fry. Mmm. You know I'm a sauce queen. Blue cheese, Little Caesar's blue cheese. Mmm. That's really good. Now dumped in some ketchup. Mm. I love sauce. So that's what I'm eating for lunch. White Castle.